Welcome back to Bloom. Enhanced lips are all the rage. If you want movie star lips, you can have them with a lip enhancement treatment and have instant results. Joining us to discuss movie star lips is Dr. Ann Hermann of Hermann Wellness. Welcome to Bloom, Dr. Hermann.
Thank you for having me, Gail.
Oh, it's great to have you. But let's talk movie star lips. I mean, that is all the rage, and you're an expert at this.
Absolutely. You know, when I do lip filler, I really try to tailor the treatment to what the patient is looking for. If somebody's just looking for a very subtle lip enhancement, we may use something called Juvederm Ultra, which is just going to contour maybe the fine lines around the mouth and not add a lot of volume. But if somebody is looking for some volume, my favorite filler will be Juvederm Ultra, which is a very smooth filler. It does add volume in a very natural way. A lot of times when we're doing filler, you know, I'll discuss with the patient what look they're looking for. You know, some people, as we get older, they're losing some volume at the corners where they still have volume in the middle, but sort of this straight line right here, and they just want to kind of, you know, work on that. Other people maybe have naturally always had a thin lip, and they're trying to maybe make their lip look a little more full. One of the techniques, I think the one that we're talking about today, is some people call it the Russian pillar technique. I just call it the pillar technique. And this is where we do a little bit of filler with actually using an insulin syringe, just a little, very, very fine needle, in sort of a going up and down motion. And what I'm actually trying to do is create height to the lip, to basically make a very narrow lip look higher. And it also adds some nice projection, sort of side view projection, if somebody has a very flat lip. So it's just another technique, something that, you know, we've been doing to tailor a specific look. If somebody, you know, like I say, has a really, maybe a thin lip and they're looking for a little height and a little projection.
Yeah, and this skill level is critical when you're dealing with lips because, you know, a lot of people just don't have that knowledge of how to make it look natural. And how long does it last then once you get these perfect movie star lips?
Right, so typically it will last a year. And a lot of times what I'll tell my patients is less is more. You can always, you know, do it and then add more. But if you know, we do a syringe and somebody thinks they want more, I still would recommend going home, getting used to it, coming back and adding more. One syringe does look very natural. But
I think we have a before and after
beautiful
picture.
But I know the patient that we're talking about, and she had a little bit of a thinner upper lip compared to her bottom lip. And so what she was looking to do was sort of heighten that upper lip a little bit and make them more even. And so she was very pleased with her results. And this after picture is immediately after. So sometimes we have a little redness and things like that,
but still it looks, yeah, it looks amazing. All right, well, let's pick up the phone right now. Call today and mention the keyword Bloom to receive a free consultation and 25% discount on your lip enhancement. If you live in St. Petersburg, call 727-278-3992. In Tampa, you can call 813-902-9559. Now, this offer may not be combined with any other promotion, and it only lasts until December 31st. So do not wait to get in on this special Bloom offer. Thank you so much, Dr. Hermann.
Thank you, Gail.
And we'll be back with more Bloom right after this.